Meaning of Grandma Moses.
Grandma Moses.
Grandma Moses.
Grandma Moses.
Grandma Moses. Grandma Moses was the nickname of Anna Mary Robertson Moses, a renowned American folk artist who started painting in her 70s and gained fame in her 80s. Her style is characterized by bright colors and depictions of rural scenes, often depicting everyday life from her childhood memories. Moses was a self-taught artist whose unique style and subject matter captured the attention of art collectors and enthusiasts alike. Her paintings have been exhibited in major museums worldwide, and her legacy has inspired many artists to pursue their passion later in life.